Alrighty guys, welcome back to another brand new video. In this video, right, I want to talk about Bitcoin again. Okay, I know my recent video, right, my most recent video, I told you guys to buy at least 0.28, right, at least buy 0.28 worth of a Bitcoin now, right, like right now. But in this video, right, now I want you guys to at least buy 5,000 worth of Bitcoins. Now, why am I making this, another whole separate video? You know what I mean? Like, how many videos I'm going to be making about how many Bitcoins you guys should be buying? You know what I mean? Like, guys, this is the thing. Like, it really depends how much Bitcoins you guys personally want to own. And this is also another thing, guys. You guys have to understand that Bitcoin, okay, is really volatile. Okay, it goes up and down a lot, and there's a lot of crashes, right? It's really, really volatile. Bitcoin, right? The Bitcoin price is really volatile. If you guys are Bitcoin, investors and all that, like crypto investors in general, you guys know that Bitcoin, even crypto in general, right, is really volatile. Okay, it really is, right? It just goes up and down, and that's pretty much how the markets are. You know what I mean? Even the stocks, right? Stock markets, it goes up and down as well. It's just how the market is, you know what I mean? Especially crypto, because crypto is new, guys. Like, you know what I mean? Cryptocurrency has been around for like 13 years, right? But guys, I told you guys in my most recent video, right? I told you guys to buy at least 0.28 worth of a Bitcoin, and that's equal to about, $15,000, right? But thinking about it now, guys, I want you guys to at least buy 5,000 worth of Bitcoins, at least. Like, if you guys think you can't, get to $15,000, you know what I mean, to invest into Bitcoin, to have 0.28 worth of a Bitcoin, invest $5,000. Now that is way less, right? That is literally like 9% worth of a Bitcoin. Let's see how much $5,000 worth of a Bitcoin you can get if you invest $5,000. You know what I mean? So let's just say $5,000. That is pretty much 9% of a Bitcoin, right? So if you invest $5,000 today, right, at the price of Bitcoin, which is at $55,000, almost 56, right, you will be getting pretty much 9% of a Bitcoin, pretty much, right? So, guys, if you guys can't afford, to invest, $15,000, which is worth, 0.28 worth of a Bitcoin, invest at least $5,000. If you're comfortable with $5,000, you know what I mean, which is honestly a really small amount of Bitcoins. Like I showed you guys, that is literally just 9% worth of a Bitcoin, right? So, it's much smaller, right? Much of a smaller investment than 0.28 worth of a Bitcoin. You know what I mean? So, guys, like, I don't want to beg, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to beg you guys to buy, 5,000 worth of Bitcoins, or buy at least 0.28 worth of Bitcoin, or buy at least one whole Bitcoin. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I've literally been telling you guys to buy these amounts, these percentages of Bitcoins, right? Because I really do believe, obviously, I've been saying this, I keep repeating myself. I know that like Bitcoin's gonna go up a lot, you know what I mean? Like, it's gonna go to millions of dollars like 10 years from now, you know what I mean? Like in 2030, guys, the year 2030, I really do see a $1 million Bitcoin, $1 million per Bitcoin, right? I really do see Bitcoin going to be trading at $1 million in 2030. You know what I mean? I really do believe in that with all my heart. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm telling you guys right now, right this second, to accumulate at least a small percentage of a Bitcoin before it's actually too late. Right now, it is not late, okay, to invest in Bitcoin, right? It is not, right? Even though, yes, Bitcoin right now is over, $50,000 here in Australia, and you guys may think that is too late to invest into Bitcoin. It is not, okay? It is not. Bitcoin is going to reach to $1 million. Imagine investing in Bitcoin, you know what I mean? Putting $5,000 worth of your money into Bitcoin when it's at $1 million. Like, you know how much harder it will be to accumulate Bitcoins, you know what I mean? Because the price is just so much higher, you know what I mean? $1 million when Bitcoin is going to be reaching that, right? So that's why I tell you guys to invest now. We are still in its early stages. Okay, we really are. Even if Bitcoin gets to $100,000, $200,000, right? Personally, I would invest. I don't see that as too late, you know what I mean? Because I see huge potential for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the future, guys. Like, it really is, you know what I mean? Like, I really do believe with this with all my heart, you know what I mean? Like, Bitcoin is literally the future, right? And if you don't see it and you don't understand money, then you don't understand Bitcoin, you know what I mean? So, guys, I'm trying to tell you guys, right? I'm trying to, like, literally just tell you guys and help you guys out that putting your money into Bitcoin in general, right? You're gonna have some type of wealth. You're gonna be the 1% of wealth in Bitcoin terms. You know what I mean? Because like I said, not everyone in the world can own a Bitcoin, right? There's only a limited supply of Bitcoins, right? There's only a limited supply of Bitcoins, which is 21 million Bitcoins, no more, no less, right? So, and there's like over 7 billion people in the world. So that's why I try to tell you guys, not everyone in the world can own a Bitcoin. So if you can't invest $15,000, you know what I mean? In my last video, I told you guys to at least invest $15,000 into Bitcoin, which is equal to about 0.28 worth of Bitcoin. If you can't afford that, invest $5,000 right now, right? I know you guys have $5,000. I know for a fact you guys have at least $3,000. You know what I mean? Just put that money in Bitcoin. Leave it in there. Forget about it. Don't take your money out or anything like that. Leave your money in there, okay? Don't sell any of your positions. Never sell your Bitcoin, okay? Think of Bitcoin as long-term, guys. Don't care. Don't think about the short-term gains. Just think about long-term gains, right? And that's how you guys will make the most money with Bitcoin. Because like I said, Bitcoin short-term is really volatile, but for long-term, it's always going up, right? It is always shooting up, guys, right? If you just zoom out, if you go to the full Bitcoin chart and you zoom out, right, you guys can see that Bitcoin is on an uptrend. It's volatile, but on an uptrend. So over the years, it is always going up. It's always shooting up. And this is the thing about Bitcoin. It has never disappointed anyone. Like if you invest into Bitcoin, especially if you're an early investor, I'm talking about, 2012, 2013, you know what I mean? 2015 even, right? Even 2018, even 2020, you know what I mean? Like if you invest into Bitcoin at those years, right, you'll be up in profit right now, easily. You know what I mean? Because, at the beginning of 2021, right, early of 2021, that's when Bitcoin really shot up in price. That's when it really just skyrocketed, you know what I mean? Like it just had a huge spike up, right? So, guys, like literally Bitcoin has never disappointed anyone. You know what I mean? Like literally, if you just made an investment of $100, right? Like think about it. If you just made an investment of $100 when Bitcoin first came out, you'll be a millionaire right now. Like literally, you know what I mean? Like, you'll be like a millionaire, 100%. You'll have financial freedom right now if you just invested $100 into Bitcoin when it first came out. You know what I mean? I'm talking about 2009, right? 2010, even 2011. You know what I mean? When Bitcoin was trading at a couple dollars. So, yeah, you would have been a millionaire just from that $100 investment. You know what I mean? And if you just held your positions, you know what I mean? So, guys, I know a lot of you guys aren't gonna listen to me, okay? I know that, right? Most of you guys ain't gonna listen to me, and that's cool. You guys can wait on the sidelines, you know what I mean? Like, you guys will, like, it's guaranteed, guys, if you don't take action now, right, in this cycle, or even sometime in this year in 2022, right, if you don't start, investing into Bitcoin, you're going to have some type of regret, right? The same regret that pretty much most people are having right now if they didn't invest in Bitcoin, let's just say in 2015, 16, 17, 18. You know what I mean? Like, we're going to have that same regret, you know what I mean, in 2025, 2030, right? So, take action now, guys, okay? Please. Like, I am begging you guys, right? Like, please. $5,000. Worth of a Bitcoin. That is literally like, 9% worth of a Bitcoin, right? So please, guys, okay. I don't want to beg, you know what I mean? I really don't want to beg, but I'm just trying to help you guys, you know what I mean? I really want to make these videos and teach you guys about Bitcoin and to start accumulating Bitcoin, start investing your money into, Bitcoin, this asset that I really do believe in. I really do believe, obviously, Bitcoin is the future. It's going to become global and the demand is going to go up. That's why the Bitcoin price for the past few years has been going up because of demand. You know what I mean? A lot of people want to buy Bitcoin. A lot of people are now starting to invest their money into Bitcoin. That's why the price of Bitcoin has been shooting up, right? So, guys, okay, invest $5,000 in Bitcoin today, this cycle, this year. If you haven't, invest into Bitcoin at all, right, and you're thinking about it, trust me, guys, this is going to be the best investment of your lifetime. Like literally, just $5,000 worth of a Bitcoin. Put it in there, leave it, forget about it, move on with your life. You know what I mean? And if you want to build more wealth, invest more than $5,000. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to tell you guys, man, please invest at least $5,000 worth of a Bitcoin today, right? And in some way, you'll be in the 1% club of wealth in Bitcoin terms, okay? Because like I said, not everyone in the world can own a percentage of a Bitcoin, okay? Not everyone in the world can own one coin. So if you own one coin, you're going to be extremely wealthy in the future. Put it that way. Just one Bitcoin, right? And I've been telling you guys to at least buy one whole Bitcoin, to accumulate one whole Bitcoin. Like literally, I've been telling you guys that for the past week now. You know what I mean? Like literally. So guys, please invest at least $5,000 of your money in Bitcoin. And I'm not no financial advisor or anything like that. You guys do your life, your choice. It's your money. You guys do whatever you want with it, right? But if you guys are smart, you put your money in Bitcoin, right? Right? I'm trying not to laugh. You know what I mean? Like, because I feel like I am begging really hard for you guys to at least buy $5,000 worth of Bitcoins, but I just really don't want to beg. From now on, I'm not even going to beg. Okay? Like, I keep saying, I just want you guys to be in this train to wealth. You know what I mean? Because a lot of people out there want to build wealth, want to build financial freedom, want to have financial freedom. You know what I mean? Like, a lot of people do want to have financial freedom. You know what I mean? Because it's really rare to have in this world. It really is. You know what I mean? So, guys, please, just $5,000 into Bitcoin. Forget about it. Put it away and move on with your life. And like I said, man, if you keep consistently accumulating more Bitcoins, if you can do more than $5,000, please go to 0.28 worth of a Bitcoin. Go to 50% of a Bitcoin. You know what I mean? Half of a Bitcoin, right? Go to that goal of one Bitcoin if you can. Please, I'm begging. Hey, but you know what? I'm gonna stop begging. You know what I mean? Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have a good day.